Hello po, I am Lani Howells. Kapampangan ko po, I am a proud Live Good affiliate, a single parent to 3 beautiful boys. Mag-reside ko po king Brisbane, Australia, pero at the moment, at ko kini king Philippines to spend time with my parents and teka akong pamilya kin. The last 4 days, minta kami po king Boracay. We just arrived last night. May spend kaming 4 days ka rin 3 nights. Kaya bi ako la ding pamilya ko, 9 kamingan minta ka rin. Guess what? In pong Live Good, yung mix sponsor king Trip Me, pati na yung trip ko Kenny King Philippines. Magastos po, pero manyaman. Manyaman kayong pakiramdam na apaligaya mo la, apasaya mo la rin pamilya mo, lalo na inang ko, papay tatang ko. Ako po agawaing makanini nung ala kong daratang blessing, iba't king online business ko. Ako po, ako may ka-financial results king online business, king online space. Kasi may kay adwa na akong networking companies, affiliate companies in the past. And both of them, adita ako po dininan financial results. As in, ngayon yung ikit kaya po yung Live Good, ikit kaya po yung compensation plan na ikit kaya yung membership club subscription model na sabi ko, ay, yapi na ini. Realize ko po, aliwaya ako yung meging problema karetang failed 2 ventures ko, yung meging pong problema, I was in the wrong opportunities. At ikit kayong Live Good, instantly, my first week, I earned. Marakal na po aso pa ni Live Good. Kaya nung ikayo, mika failed venture kayo, bisa kayo pang mag-try pa si payo, di na niyeng panahon ini kasi you were just in the wrong opportunities. Bala mo ako. So, makarelate kayo kayong sasabihan ko, bisa kayo mika time freedom, extra kareng expenses tamo, pengari ko rin po, balo ko yan. Or nung ala kayo man experience king networking, try po yun kasi itamongon, mag-start tamon king ala tamong balo. Mag-try kayong pasibay. At yun pa po king pioneering stage na. In just under 2 years po, 1.5 million plus members na in Live Good. Just like Netflix, Costco, Landers, SNR, then balo yung subscription companies. In Live Good mo, in only membership company that pays. It's the only company that has an affiliate compensation plan. Let's have a chat. Tapong bengis, well, doon na naman, oh my goodness, monthly and weekly. Wow, congratulations to all Live Good affiliates. And if you are watching this at bisa kayo mag-try, buriyeng abalo, i-present kaya po kaya kayo, and we can work together, join my team, at kung kapampangan kayo, itapin, syempre, di ba? Kapampangan tamo, mga lago, di ba? Mga santing. Pag-connecta mo po, and I hope to see you on the other side. Banta, hindi nang kayo rin blessings kanini. Okay, thank you po. Thanks for listening.